Discover the transformative power of inner strength with Cameron Diaz's inspiring quotes and insights. In this video, we dive deep into how self-restoration, emotional recharge, and authentic confidence can change your life forever. Here are supplementary explanations for each of Cameron Diaz's quotes on inner strength. Benefits and restoration changed everything. The transformative power of self-care and inner restoration goes far beyond temporary relief. It fundamentally shifts how we experience life. When we prioritize practices that restore our mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being, we don't just feel better temporarily. We change our entire relationship with stress, challenges, and daily living. This restoration becomes the foundation for a completely different way of being in the world. I have that tool now. Discovering effective methods for self-restoration gives us permanent access to inner renewal whenever we need it. Like carrying a Swiss Army knife, we now possess a reliable instrument we can use in any situation to restore balance and strength. This tool becomes part of our personal toolkit for life, something no one can take away from us, and something we can access regardless of external circumstances. Going inside the deepest part of myself. True restoration requires going beyond surface-level relaxation to connect with our core essence. This deep inner journey involves accessing the most authentic, powerful, and wise parts of ourselves that often get buried under daily stress and external demands. It's about reaching the place within us that remains untouched by outside chaos, our truest, most resilient self. Recharging my battery internally. Just as electronic devices need regular charging to function optimally, our inner energy systems require intentional restoration. This internal recharging involves replenishing our emotional reserves, mental clarity, and spiritual vitality. When we neglect this internal battery, we operate at reduced capacity, but when we prioritize recharging, we can function at our full potential. It makes me feel so badass. There's an empowering, almost rebellious, quality to taking charge of your own well-being and inner strength. In a culture that often demands we constantly give to others and push through exhaustion, choosing to prioritize self-restoration feels boldly confident. This badass feeling comes from the recognition that we're taking radical responsibility for our own power, and refusing to be a victim of circumstances. Inner strength is true power. External sources of power, money, status, physical strength can be lost or taken away, but inner strength is permanent and unshakable. This internal power source provides the foundation for all other forms of strength and success. It's the difference between being powerful and feeling powerful. Inner strength creates authentic confidence that doesn't depend on external validation or circumstances. Self-restoration is not selfish. Taking time and energy to restore ourselves isn't indulgent or narcissistic. It's essential maintenance that allows us to show up better for others. Like the airplane oxygen mask principle, we must take care of ourselves first to be truly helpful to others. Self-restoration actually increases our capacity to love, serve, and contribute meaningfully to the world around us. Internal energy affects everything external. Our inner state radiates outward, influencing every aspect of our lives, our relationships, work performance, decision-making, and overall life experience. When our internal energy is depleted, everything suffers. When it's restored and vibrant, everything flows more easily. This recognition shows how internal work isn't separate from external success, but is actually the foundation for it. You're your own best resource. While external support systems are valuable, the most reliable and always available source of strength, wisdom, and guidance is within ourselves. We possess inner resources, intuition, resilience, creativity, and strength that are perfectly tailored to our unique needs and circumstances. Learning to access and trust these internal resources creates unshakable self-reliance. Inner work creates outer confidence. The confidence that comes from doing internal restoration work is qualitatively different from surface-level self-assurance. It's not based on external achievements or others' opinions, but on a deep knowing of our own worth and capabilities. This authentic confidence is stable, lasting, and magnetic. It attracts opportunities and positive relationships, because it's rooted in genuine self-knowledge and inner strength. I hope today's story will help you check your life map once again. Thank you for watching.